In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set auto reply in Zoho Mail. This is especially useful when you're on vacation, out sick, or simply unavailable for a period of time, and you want anyone who emails you to get an automatic response. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. Sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on your inbox page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You should see a small gear icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your Zoho Mail settings. When the settings panel opens, you'll see several options related to your account and mailbox. What we're looking for is the out of office option, which is where Zoho Mail manages automatic replies. Click on out of office to open the auto reply configuration page. Here, you'll be able to create a new out of office rule. The first thing you need to set is the duration. This tells Zoho Mail when to start and when to stop sending your automatic replies. Choose your start date, which might be the first day you're away, and then select your end date, the day you'll be back or want the auto reply to stop. Take a moment to double check these dates so you don't accidentally keep the auto reply going longer than you intend. Next, you can specify the days when you'll be unavailable. For example, if you're only out on weekdays or just a few specific days, you can select those. This is helpful if your schedule is a bit more complex than a simple start and end date, and it lets you fine-tune when the automatic replies are active. After setting the duration and days, it's time to write your message. In the subject field, type a clear and simple subject line, such as out of office or away from email. Then, in the body, write the message people will receive when they email you. You might want to include how long you'll be away, whether you'll have limited access to email, and, if appropriate, an alternative contact person or team. Once you're happy with your subject and message, review all the details one more time: dates, days, and content. When everything looks correct, click on Save. Your auto reply is now